In this video, I'll show you how to use the Resize tool. So if you've created a design and you would like to resize it to a different size, for example, Instagram to a Facebook story post, I'll show you how to do that. In this case, we have an Instagram post here, so we'll resize it to a Facebook story post. All right, so in order to resize your design, you go to the top left-hand corner, click on Resize, and then you'll have some suggested size here that you could use, as well as different project types such as presentation or videos, etc. But we're going to use the Facebook story size for now. So let's click on Facebook story, and then I'll click on copy and resize. Then we'll click on open your story, which will open a new tab. And now we would be able to edit our design on the Facebook story page size. So click on the background to unlock it, click unlock, and now we could click on the other background element and unlock it as well. So now that they are unlocked, we can now drag them to cover the entire Facebook story page. So let's drag it to cover the entire page. Let's do the same thing for the purple square. Drag it to cover the entire page. Alright, so now that we've covered the entire page, we have our Facebook story page or design, which is completed, and we have transformed our Instagram post to our Facebook story post. Alright, so that's how you use the Resize tool, and I'll see you guys in the next video.